Hey guys, welcome to Log Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Capital One credit card account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Capital One credit card account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address capital one dot com like this and hit on enter, and you'll be directed to the home page of the Capital One like this. Now, in order to log into your credit card accounts from over here, you can do that by directly entering your username and your password over here, or simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click over there, and over here you can see you'll be required to enter your username of your credit card, whichever you had registered on the Capital One at the time of creating your account, and after that enter your password. No matter which of the bank account type or the credit card type you have on your Capital One, if you enter your username and your password relating to your account, you'll be simply signed into your account relating to your username and your password. Either it's a credit card with the students rewards, or any business credit card, or your business accounts. With that being said, after you have entered your username and your password of your credit card over here, simply click on sign in. But if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on forgot your username or password to go through procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost, or you can simply create a new account from over here. If you click on the set up online access, you'll be able to sign up for your Capital One account from over here. And with that being said, guys, after you have entered your password and your email address over here, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Capital One credit card account. And guys, this is how you log into your Capital One credit card account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.